Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem codes on MCOC promo codes. Okay, so to do that, first come and open up your Chrome browser over here. When you open up your Chrome browser, come to search bar over here and then search for MCOC promo codes. MCOC promo codes. Okay, when you search for that, then load it over. When you load it over here, as you can see, this is the first website which says Marvel Contest of Champions over here. And this is the official website I want you to visit. So come and tap in this website over here. And then you wait for it to load up a bit. As you can see, it's loading up a bit. And as you can see, there are a very bunch of many promo codes over here. So you can come and choose any of these promo codes over here and then use it over here. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.